5-Bird eSIM card. Explore the limitless potential of eSIM. The new Ultra version, using STK Tools eSIM management, enables iOS device compatibility upgrades to switch on off and switch eSIM without installing app. The Ultra version has all the features of the premium version. Unlimited eSIM downloads, store up to 15 eSIM at the same time. Support use it on iPhone and most Android phones. Now you can manage eSIM on iPhone easily and efficiently. For Android users, use Ultra, same as the previous version. After installing the app, scan the code to download eSIM, which supports downloading, deleting, turning on and off, and switching eSIM. For iPhone users, to use Ultra, please download eSIM through the app on Android phone in advance. Then insert the card into iPhone. In Cellular Network page, find SIM card application, then you can manage eSIM. Support view eID. Turn on off eSIM in eSIM list and switch eSIM. 5-Bird Ultra version makes iOS flexible to manage eSIM as well. It's on sale now and waiting for you to experience it.